10-year-old boy is recovering after being shot with a toy gun while walking with his friends. And right now, police are still searching for whoever is responsible. NBC 10's Mary Marco is joining us live from Reading with more on what the neighbors there in town are saying about this incident. Mary?
Well, Colton, neighbors are stunned that this happened in broad daylight on a rural street. But this incident has some similarities to a social media trend that's been raising red flags over the last couple of years. An attack on a 10-year-old boy resembling a troubling social media trend.
They're just laughing, having fun, and then this is what happens. It's not right.
The boy was walking with friends around 4:30 Friday afternoon on a busy Minot Street.
It's a high foot traffic area. Kids are constantly, running around playing with each other.
We get people going 50, 60 miles an hour through here sometimes.
That's when he was shot in the face by an Orbeez gun, which fires off gel beads that absorb water.
I don't understand why these things are happening. People are just lashing out, and this is the way that they lash out. They targeted an innocent 10-year-old boy.
The incident similar to a popular social media challenge that's been raising red flags over the last couple of years, including in Canton, where students used gel ball blasters like these to target people around this time last year.
I don't think that they should be in the arms of a child, but things happen. It's super unfortunate.
Now police are asking for your help to find this silver sedan caught on Jacob Becker's Ring camera.
We were all teens once, and we did some crazy stuff that we probably don't want, on the news.
And this Reading neighborhood is hoping the 10-year-old boy makes a full recovery.
I hope he's okay, and I hope nothing like that ever happens again.
My heart goes out to the family and that young boy. I hope he's okay.
Now, police declined to comment for this story, but they do say the investigation is ongoing. Live in Reading, Mary Marcos, NBC 10 Boss.